guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. So I'm going to be creating this dewy, no makeup look or clean girl look that most of them call it. It's going to take like very less time than any other long makeup video, because it's also like you use very less products in this. This is very easy to do kind of a look which looks very clean, minimal. So without any delay, let's get started. So I am not going to be using foundation today. Instead, I'm going to be using BB cream. But even if it's BB cream, I'm going to use Lakme Blur Perfect primer first. Though it's not a foundation, still I want to protect my skin. Please ignore if you get to hear any background noises. I'm really sorry. I find it annoying myself. Okay, now that the primer is done, please leave it for about like 5 to 10 minutes so that it sets. Next, for this BB cream is from the brand called Mars, and it's in the shade 3 medium. So I'm not going to be like applying it directly. So instead, what I'm going to do, take it like back of my hand, little. Too much only came off, but ignore. Next, I'm going to take a spoon. If you have a spatula, great. I don't have. Or even if you have like a wooden spoon, also great. So take a spoon. Then over here, whatever the cream is there in your hand, just take it like this, like from up to down. Apply it. So basically what happens when you apply it with a spoon or like a spoon that I'm using today, and with this help, you are going to be applying very less amount, but you're spreading it completely. So when you're doing this, it gives you very natural, subtle coverage, and it's gonna look very natural. Next, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it in. So we are done with the base. Also, I love Mars for a fact that their BB creams are so lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy at all in your skin. And also, like a kutti disclaimer that when you're doing a no makeup look, your acne, your kutti spots are going to be visible like very slightly, and it's completely okay to have it. Next step is I'm going to be going with concealer, and my concealer is from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade 5 Sand, and I'm not going to be doing like a full face concealer kind of a thing. I'm just going to go and highlight like the spots where when light falls, and wherever your face features are going to be highlighted, only that parts I'm going to go dot wise and highlight. So first I'm going to go near my inner eye, dot near here, over here, and over here. I generally draw lines, but I put dot wise over here. Next, small dot near my nose, small dot near my lips. And if you have like acne marks and all, you can cover it up with like one dot. And that's it. Next, using the same blender, but the pointed edge, I'm just gonna blend it. That's it, done with the concealer. I'm not going to be doing contouring because I feel naturally we will not have like sharp contoured features. So it's just going to be like dewy and subtle kind of a look. So next I'm going to go with my brows. I'm not going to be filling it completely, but chumma brush it slightly and fill in the gaps, and that's it. For that I'm going to use my normal brows. For that I'm going to mix brown and black slightly together, natural black color. So first I'm going to go like brush the brows and just fill the gaps very slightly, and mostly from the center and not from the beginning. And again brush it back. The same way I'm going to be doing this side. Now that we're done with brows, I'm going to go with blush. For that I'm going to be taking my peach lip gloss and my concealer. I'm going to mix it together and put blush over here, over here, over here, to get that sun-kissed kind of look. I'm not going with red or pink because I generally feel peach goes well with my skin tone. So how I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna be applying one. Also I'm gonna go like high so that my face looks lifted. So I'm gonna go slightly over here, one dot over here, one heart on my nose, slightly on my chin. Now I'm gonna apply wherever I've applied this peach color. There beside that I'm gonna apply one concealer. Now start blending. So that's how I've done my blush. I've gone a little subtle, and I think it's looking subtle because of using peach. If at all I'd use red or pink, it would have gone like. Next I'm going to be doing my lip. For that I'm going to be taking this Mars lip liner, and it's in the shade 6 Red Teas. I'm going to outline my lip very slightly, and also it's this one red color that's like nudish red. So lower I have not completely outlined, but I've just done like the center part. Next I'm going to be using my red lipstick and slightly applied only in the center. Now that we have applied, we are slightly going to take a towel or something and just smudge it off slightly so that it looks very like low-key. Next we are gonna do eyeliner, but it's not that thick eyeliner that we generally do, but slightly just to enhance our eyes. And I'm gonna be using that same eyeliner to enhance my eyelashes as well. So first I'm gonna do my eyeliner very thin. Just like that. I'm not going to do from starting, but I've just taken it off slightly from the center and I've ended it. Again with the same eyeliner, I'm not again going to like dip it. With the same eyeliner, I'm just going to slightly just brush my lashes so that it looks very natural, because when you apply, I have like that thick wand mascara, and if I use mascara, it's gonna look very heavy and not natural. I'm not gonna be applying any kajal because it's gonna look very heavy. So instead I'm gonna be using a brown kajal and slightly outline the lower eye so that it doesn't look like very plain. At the same time, it doesn't look like I'm wearing a very black kajal. Next on, not like an eyeshadow, but just slightly to highlight the eyes, I'm just going to use my skin tone shade and then slightly mix that with pink. It's just one brush. Now that like the lipstick is set and all, slightly I'm going to take my lip gloss and apply it to like make it like shine. We have come to the last step, and that's highlighting, and after highlighting you're done. And major part of this no makeup look is actually the highlighter. You're supposed to highlight the parts where like the same way concealer, like where the sun falls and sparkles, where your features are highlighted the same way, but you're supposed to put the highlighter. So I'm gonna go with white and pink. I'm gonna go use my fingers only. First I'm gonna go only in the center of my eyes, near the eyebrow bone, near cheekbone, and lastly inner corner of your eyes. When I had applied lip gloss, slightly feel it heavy, just take a blender, start slightly just tabbing your blender. And that's all, we are done, and this is how it turned out. So I hope you like this video. So I love this subtle look because one, it does not take too much of time, and two, it's like very subtle, very minimal, where you are looking yourself, your acnes are seen, your open pores are seen. This goes well with any outfit. So yeah, this is like my go-to look for any outfit. Probably the video might be lengthy, but this is like a quick, fast makeup session. All you need is like one BB cream, one concealer, eyeliner, lipstick, and you're done. If you want, you can skip highlighter, and you don't have to have like an extra blush. You can use the same lipstick as your blush. All you need is like probably like 5 to 6 minutes and you're done. So yeah, what do you think about this look? Please do comment below and let me know. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.